This is our presentation about the pharmacokinetics, the drug absorption, distribution and elimination. Drug absorption. Drug absorption is a pharmacokinetic parameter that refers to the way a drug is absorbed from a pharmaceutical formulation into the bloodstream. Absorption is the movement of a drug from its site of administration to the bloodstream. The rate and extent of drug absorption depend on multiple factors, such as route of administration, the formulation and chemical properties of a drug-drug-food interactions. When a drug is given intravenously, absorption is not required, and bioavailability is 100%. Because the active form of the medicine is delivered immediately to the systemic circulation. However, orally administered medications have incomplete absorption and result in less drug delivery to the site of action. For example, many orally administered drugs are metabolized within the gut wall or the liver before reaching the systemic circulation. This is referred to as first-pass metabolism, which reduces drug absorption. The distribution will start after entering the systemic circulating. A drug is distributed and eliminated, often at the same time. Distribution is the journey of the drug through the bloodstream to various tissues of the body, such as brain tissue, fat and muscle. It answers the question, where will it go? This process is very important because it can affect how much drug ends up in the active sites, and thus drug efficacy and toxicity. Many factors could affect the process of distribution, like blood flow, lipophilicity, molecular size, and how the drug interacts with the components of blood, the plasma proteins. Only the free and bound drug is available to act on the cell membranes of the target tissues. This means a high concentration does not necessarily mean the drug is highly active, since only a small portion may be unbound while the rest is bound to protein. The unbound part of the drug is distributed to the tissues and the bound part remains in the blood. If the drug is distributed after a while, the elimination will start and it will start to metabolize. Metabolism is a chemical reaction that renders a medication inactive and makes it excretable. The medicine metabolized differently depending on where it is taken. The medicine will enter the hepatic portal system, which is the intestinal walls, if given orally. The first pass effect occurs once it travels to the liver to begin metabolism. The first pass effect refers to the drug's first passage through the liver, and the medicine's bioavailability will be reduced, or the drug will be 90% inactivated before reaching the general circulation. Drugs reach their target cells, however they are digested after a certain amount of time has passed. The last is the excretion. The drug or its metabolites will eventually leave the body through excretion. Exhalation, sweating, urination, and defecation are all ways for the drug to leave the body. Kidney is the most important organ in this procedure, because they will remove harmful substances from the bloodstream. Some drugs are easily exhaled because they are converted into gaseous form. They are also eliminated through the bile. Enterohepatic recirculation returns the material generated by the liver to aid digestion as bile, where the majority of the medicine can be expelled by the kidneys and the rest will depart in the form of feces. Glands that produce fluid also promote extrusion, but it is less effective. End of our presentation. Thank you for watching.